There is something quietly, almost imperceptibly powerful about stepping into a home where everything flows, where spaces feel open and purposeful, where light moves through glass and across natural stone as if it belongs there, and where every corner communicates the same clear, confident design intention that makes a home feel not just beautiful but genuinely, deeply right. In Luxury Open Concept Interior Design 2026, the ambition has shifted from mere visual beauty toward something considerably more meaningful: the creation of homes that feel calm, connected, and emotionally sustaining in the way that only truly considered spaces ever achieve. The rising influence of aesthetic black interiors, paired with warm earthy neutrals, tactile natural textures, and the precise geometry of minimalist architecture, creates a balance of bold sophistication and enveloping warmth that defines the year's most admired living environments.
Before we delve into our exploration, allow us to extend a warm welcome back to Amica Studio. For those joining us for the first time, we invite you to subscribe for more captivating insights into home and interior design inspiration.
Luxury Open Concept Interior Design 2026. Aesthetic black colors and seamless living spaces. In this guide, you will discover how open-plan luxury living, indoor-outdoor living spaces, and modern minimalist interiors are being reimagined with new depth and intelligence for 2026, exploring floor-to-ceiling glass walls that dissolve the boundary between interior and landscape, courtyard house designs that create private natural sanctuaries at the home's heart, and biophilic design elements that bring the restorative quality of the natural world directly into daily domestic life. From luxury outdoor kitchens and infinity pool backyards that extend the home's living experience into the garden, to ambient layered lighting design that transforms the quality of every hour spent at home, smart zoning techniques that give multifunctional open spaces genuine legibility and comfort, and the organic, material-rich world of biophilic interior design. Every idea in this guide is crafted to enhance both the function and the deeply felt beauty of modern luxury living. Whether you are dreaming of a complete modern villa redesign with seamless indoor-outdoor flow, planning a thoughtful refresh of an existing open-plan space with elegant new material and lighting choices, or simply searching for the design language that will finally make your home feel as extraordinary as you have always known it could be, these ideas will show you how aesthetic black tones, warm natural materials, and the considered intelligence of open-concept architecture combine to create homes that feel timeless, elevated, and entirely, personally yours. One. Seamless open living layouts with natural light and indoor-outdoor flow. Open-plan luxury living with natural light and fluid interior layouts. Modern homes in 2026 embrace open-plan luxury living where spaces are visually connected yet thoughtfully arranged. A well-designed layout allows the living room, dining area, and kitchen to flow naturally, creating a sense of openness and freedom. The use of floor-to-ceiling windows and natural light homes design enhances brightness while highlighting textures like wood, stone, and matte finishes. This approach not only maximizes space but also elevates the overall ambience, making the home feel expansive and calming. By blending minimalist luxury interiors with warm tones, homeowners can achieve a harmonious balance between elegance and comfort. Improve the openness and visual flow of an existing layout immediately by removing any non-structural furniture positioned against circulation routes, side tables, ottomans, or chairs that interrupt the natural path between zones, and replacing them with lower-profile pieces that maintain the sightline between the living, dining, and kitchen areas, producing an immediate, cost-free improvement in perceived spatial flow and luminosity. Indoor-outdoor living spaces that extend beyond walls. A key element of indoor-outdoor living spaces is the seamless transition between interior zones and outdoor areas like patios, terraces, or gardens. Sliding glass doors and glass partition design create smooth movement between spaces, making outdoor lounges feel like natural extensions of the home. Whether it's a luxury outdoor lounge, a garden seating area, or a rooftop garden terrace, these spaces encourage relaxation and social interaction. The combination of soft lighting, natural textures, and open layouts enhances the feeling of freedom and connection to nature, a hallmark of modern luxury homes 2026. Extend the indoor-outdoor visual connection from an existing home by replacing solid panel exterior doors with full-glass alternatives, or by simply installing glass panels in existing solid timber door frames using a local glazier, and continuing the interior floor material, timber, stone effect tile, or large-format porcelain, directly onto an adjacent outdoor terrace using the exterior-grade equivalent of the same material, eliminating the visual threshold between the two spaces. Two. Glass walls and architectural features that blur boundaries. Floor-to-ceiling glass walls for light-filled modern homes. One of the most defining features of modern luxury architecture is the use of floor-to-ceiling windows and expansive glass panels. These elements allow natural light to flood the interiors while offering uninterrupted views of the surrounding landscape. Glass walls not only create visual continuity but also enhance the feeling of openness in open-concept living spaces. Combined with sleek frames and minimalist design, they add a refined, contemporary touch that elevates the home's aesthetic. Maximize the visual impact of existing standard windows toward a floor-to-ceiling aesthetic by installing full-height curtain panels, hung from ceiling-mounted tracks positioned as close to the ceiling as possible, in a sheer natural linen that allows maximum light transmission, training the eye to read the full wall height from floor to ceiling and creating the impression of significantly taller, more architecturally generous window openings. Architectural details that connect interior design with nature. Beyond windows, modern homes incorporate structural features like sliding glass doors, floating staircases, and glass railings to maintain visual flow. These elements are often paired with modern staircase design and subtle lighting to create a sophisticated look. By integrating biophilic design principles, such as natural materials and greenery, these architectural details blur the line between indoor and outdoor environments. The result is a home that feels connected, breathable, and visually stunning. Introduce a biophilic architectural detail into an existing home by installing a living wall panel, a pre-planted felt pocket system mounted on a timber frame, adjacent to a staircase wall or beside a large glass panel, creating the layered visual relationship between architecture and living plant material that defines biophilic interior design at its most accessible and most immediately beautiful. Three. Courtyard living for a private and peaceful outdoor sanctuary. Courtyard house design with calm and private outdoor spaces. The concept of courtyard house design is becoming a signature feature in luxury homes, offering a private outdoor sanctuary within the home itself. Positioned at the center of the layout, the courtyard creates a tranquil space surrounded by living areas. This design enhances privacy while allowing natural light and fresh air to circulate throughout the home. Elements like water features, stone pathways, and lush plants transform the courtyard into a peaceful retreat. Create a private courtyard atmosphere on an existing enclosed garden or patio by installing a simple rendered or timber-clad boundary wall on the open sides, laying large-format stone-effect outdoor tiles to connect the outdoor surface visually with the interior floor material, and positioning a single specimen tree and 2 or 3 large terracotta planters. Together, these 3 elements transform an open garden into the enclosed, private courtyard aesthetic of genuine luxury outdoor design. Luxury backyard and infinity pool design for relaxation. In larger homes, courtyards often extend into luxury backyard landscaping with features like infinity pools, outdoor lounges, and elegant seating areas. These spaces are designed for both relaxation and entertainment, blending seamlessly with the interior through glass walls. The addition of modern outdoor furniture, ambient lighting, and natural textures enhances the overall aesthetic. This integration of indoor and outdoor living creates a cohesive and luxurious environment. Create a luxury pool terrace aesthetic around an existing garden swimming pool by cladding the surrounding paved area with large format non-slip stone effect porcelain in a warm travertine or limestone tone, adding solar-powered LED spike uplighters around the pool perimeter, and positioning 1 or 2 architectural plants in large concrete or stone planters at the corners. 3 changes that together transform an ordinary pool surrounds into a genuine luxury outdoor living experience. Four. Luxury living room styling with warm lighting and soft textures. Minimalist luxury living room with neutral palette and cozy textures. A luxury living room design in 2026 focuses on simplicity, comfort, and refined elegance. Neutral tones like beige, taupe, and soft black create a calming foundation, while materials like linen, wood, and ceramic add warmth. The use of layered textures enhances depth without cluttering the space, aligning perfectly with minimalist luxury interiors. Furniture choices, such as modular sofas and sculptural tables, contribute to a clean yet inviting atmosphere. Introduce the warm minimalist luxury palette to an existing living room without painting or purchasing major furniture by adding a large natural fiber rug in warm oat or sand, 2 new boucle cushion covers in complementary earthy tones, and 1 matte black or dark charcoal lamp base with a natural linen shade. These 3 accessible additions shift the room's entire color and material narrative toward the 2026 luxury aesthetic for a modest combined investment. Ambient lighting design for a warm and elegant interior mood. Lighting plays a crucial role in defining the mood of a space. Luxury lighting design incorporates a mix of pendant lights, floor lamps, and hidden LED strips to create a soft, ambient glow. This layered lighting approach enhances architectural features while adding warmth to the room. Whether it's a statement chandelier or subtle wall sconces, lighting transforms the living room into a cozy yet sophisticated retreat. Create the layered luxury lighting effect in an existing living room without any electrical work by adding a plug-in floor lamp positioned behind the sofa, a table lamp with a warm amber bulb on a side table, and a plug-in LED strip beneath a floating shelf, 3 sources at 3 different heights, connected to existing sockets, that produce the warm layered ambient glow interior designers charge significantly to specify and install. Five. Modern open kitchen design with elegant materials and social flow. Open kitchen dining concept with marble and wood finishes. The modern open kitchen design is a centerpiece of open concept homes, combining functionality with visual appeal. Materials like marble countertops, wood cabinetry, and matte finishes create a balanced and elegant look. The open kitchen dining concept encourages interaction, making the space ideal for both cooking and entertaining. Clean lines and integrated appliances maintain a sleek and uncluttered aesthetic. Achieve the open kitchen dining aesthetic on an existing kitchen by removing upper wall cabinets on the dining-facing side of the kitchen, replacing them with open timber shelving styled with handmade ceramics and small plants, and introducing a pendant light directly above the dining table at 70 to 80 centimeters height. These 3 changes immediately make the kitchen feel more open, more socially connected to the dining zone, and considerably more designed and considered. Luxury outdoor kitchen and dining spaces for entertaining. Extending the kitchen outdoors is a growing trend in luxury homes 2026. A luxury outdoor kitchen equipped with grills, sinks, and bar seating allows homeowners to host gatherings in a relaxed setting. Paired with outdoor dining areas and stylish furniture, these spaces enhance the overall living experience. The seamless connection between indoor and outdoor kitchens reflects the essence of modern luxury living. Create a luxury outdoor kitchen station on an existing terrace using a freestanding modular outdoor kitchen unit, available in stainless steel, powder-coated steel, or natural stone finishes from outdoor kitchen suppliers, positioned under an existing pergola or a simple freestanding shade sail, connected to a standard gas supply for the grill and an outdoor water connection for the sink, achieving the outdoor kitchen functionality at a fraction of built-in kitchen construction cost. Six. Smart zoning ideas for open spaces without losing privacy. Open space zoning with glass partitions and furniture layouts. While open layouts are popular, maintaining comfort and privacy is essential. Smart zoning ideas use elements like glass partitions, rugs, and furniture placement to define different areas without blocking flow. This approach allows for distinct zones within a continuous space, enhancing functionality while preserving openness. Define 3 distinct zones in an existing open plan using rugs as your primary spatial tool: 1 large natural fiber rug anchoring the living seating group, 1 mid-size rug beneath the dining table and chairs, and a deliberate absence of any rug in the kitchen zone. The immediate visual clarity this affordable zoning technique introduces makes the open plan feel considerably more designed, more functional, and more intelligently conceived. Luxury home office and functional spaces in open layouts. Integrating a luxury home office or dedicated work zone within an open plan layout requires the particular spatial intelligence of a zone that must feel genuinely productive and focused while remaining visually connected to and aesthetically consistent with the domestic warmth of the surrounding living spaces. Achieved most successfully through the combination of a partial glass or timber slat partition that provides psychological separation without full visual enclosure. Targeted task. Lighting in the form of an articulated desk lamp and warm recessed ceiling spot above the work surface that distinguishes the work zone's light quality from the living zone's ambient warmth, and acoustic consideration through a textured wall panel, a heavy curtain on a ceiling track, or a bookshelf position to absorb sound and reduce the intrusion of domestic noise into the concentration zone. 7. Biophilic interior design with natural materials and indoor gardens. Biophilic design home with natural materials and organic elements. Biophilic interior design in 2026 has moved decisively beyond the gesture of a potted plant on a shelf or a timber accent wall into a comprehensive design philosophy that permeates the material selection, spatial organization, and sensory environment of the entire home. Natural stone in warm travertine, honey limestone, or textured slate used as flooring and wall cladding that introduces geological permanence and tactile richness at every surface. Reclaimed or sustainably sourced timber in furniture, shelving, and architectural paneling whose grain provides the visual complexity and organic warmth that manufactured materials never quite replicate, and natural fabrics in linen, cotton, jute, and wool throughout upholstery, cushions, curtains, and rugs that introduce the tactile warmth and organic irregularity that synthetic textiles always lack. Indoor garden and sustainable luxury living concepts. The integration of indoor gardens, from a curated cluster of specimen plants beside a floor-to-ceiling window, to a full vertical living wall panel mounted between zones as a living, breathing partition, to a dedicated indoor garden room with skylight and heated floor that allows year-round cultivation of tropical and subtropical species, represents sustainable luxury design at its most beautiful and most philosophically complete in 2026. These green living concepts improve interior air quality through natural filtration, regulate humidity levels that benefit both the occupants and the fabric of the building, reduce the psychological stress response that urban environments generate, and create a visual environment of such continuous, seasonal, ever-changing organic beauty that no static art installation or decorative object can rival the sustained pleasure they provide over years of daily inhabitation. Conclusion. Luxury open concept interior design in 2026 is all about creating spaces that feel connected, calm, and effortlessly elegant. From seamless indoor-outdoor living and glass architecture to courtyard sanctuaries and biophilic design, every element works together to enhance both beauty and functionality. The use of aesthetic black tones, warm neutrals, and natural materials adds depth and sophistication, transforming everyday living into a refined experience. As you explore these ideas, imagine how your own space could evolve, whether it's adding more natural light, creating a cozy outdoor corner, or redesigning your layout for better flow. Let these inspirations guide you in crafting a home that reflects your personality while embracing modern luxury living. Your dream space isn't just about design, it's about creating a place where you truly feel at home.